Hello guys, good evening. Am I audible? Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Yeah.
good evening, sir.
Is there anybody else? Please respond, guys. Hello? Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to starting our session. It's nothing but so it's new session is our thermal analysis. So we are currently working on the different type of analysis. Is nothing but the latest thing is nothing but our thermal. So
Sir, one
what is the
question is there,
definition of
sir.
your thermal analysis? So may I know the meaning of actually the what is the meaning of a thermal? Is there anybody else to provide the meaning of a thermal?
Sir,
Mandeep,
deformation happened because of the temperature, sir.
hello,
Stress, sir, stress developed due to the temperature, sir.
hello,
Sir,
hello.
analysis of the stress developed due to the temperature,
Please,
sir.
I'm going to carry on, guys. Please, if there anybody else, please respond.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Okay. Sure.
Sir, can you hear me?
Going to presenting the my image over here is nothing but introduction to the thermal analysis. So actually, it is the most important analysis through which a design has passed before to the manufacturing. Because suppose if you want to done or going to design whatever it may be the prototype, actually everyone maybe know about the meaning of actual prototype. So that is whatever it may be the part, whatever it may be the product, whatever it may be the component, will need to send to the necessary combination is nothing but necessary combination is nothing but a prototype. So whatever it may be the component will not able to and never design a huge, sorry, will not going to send to the production a huge, that is nothing but a prototype. So whatever it may be the component, it may be a paper, it may be a pencil, it may be a pen, whatever it may be the component, will need to send initially towards to a prototype manufacturing. Otherwise, we will never found that whether it will be satisfies the customer or not. Because to found that how the quality of the product, it should be depends upon the manufacturing. It's used to analyze the temperature distribution and related thermal quantities in the model. So here it's used to analyze the temperature distribution. The temperature distribution is how the amount of heat was transforming throughout throughout to the component. Suppose if I select a water bottle, it's nothing but our availabilities like a Bisleri and some oxyrich and different type of like that. Sorry, recently we have a different types of water bottles available in the market. I will select one thing and I will fill the water bottle with the just 50 to 60 degrees temperature oriented water, and I'm going to closing that bottle, and I want to sustain so I want to find out whether the bottle will sustain the period for a longer period or not. That's my find outing temperature distribution how was. And thermal quantity will depends upon the is nothing but how much amount of temperature will need to introduce into the component. Suppose if the bottle will going, so if the bottle will ready to lead some 50 to 60 degrees temperature, 52 degrees temperature, it's going to lead, that is nothing but our temperature gradient. So that's the thermal gradient of the quantity in the model. Hello, hello. Okay. In the same way, the thermal analysis is used in many engineering domains such as automobile, piping, electronic, and different research places. So majorly the domain such as automobile for the purpose of in the concept of engine fills, and the piping for majority of like a one of the selecting process of a uh, is nothing but a majority of piping is used for the heat ventilation air conditioning like factors, nothing but HVAC. And electronic system is also like that, like a geysers, everything where we are going to using. So that's the places, that's the procedures. That's the complete association. Sorry, complete uh, areas we are going to using this thermal analysis. In the same way, we have a little bit of introduction towards to this. So, sorry. Let us wait. I am going to sharing the new picture, guys. Let us wait for few minutes. Yeah. Thank you. Let's wait for. So I would like to work on the different type of heat transfers introduction. So here it is again. We have the one more page. So that is we need to work on that. So introduction part of this thing. So here this is the a little bit of introduction towards the thermal analysis. Whenever a body is subjected to a thermal loads such as temperature, heat generation, temperature is induced the body due to a heat transfer. So the contribution from the thermal loads such as the heat. So here that should be different in generation. It's nothing but a temperature such as temperature, heat generation, and temperature is induced due to the contact. The only thing is nothing but your contact. So due to that contact, we are executing a different type of variant temperatures. So that should be the only concept in the introduction we have executed by using a thermal loads. We will understand the one more thing, different types of heat transfers in the chapter also, different types of also different outputs like I will give an. So different outputs like different outputs like different outputs like yeah, different outputs like we are going to finding here the amount of temperature was induced, amount of heat loss or heat loss or heat gain is processed, and we are going to founding that thermal gradients, and in the same way we are going to founding that, and we are going to founding that thermal gradients with respect to thermal flux, and in the same way we have an one more option. It's nothing but we are going to finding the different outputs is nothing but the next way is nothing but our three heat transfers. One is the conduction, and another one is the convection, and another one is the radiation. So let me work on this, guys. So it's nothing but our heat transfers. So let us take this. There are the three major types of heat transfers. One is the conduction, and another one is the convection, and another one is the radiation. So let me know about the people what is the meaning of an convection, and let me give an example, and in the same way convection let us go for the one more example, and let us found that was an one more example for radiation. So let us look for the conduction part. So what is the meaning of an actual conduction? So let me know what is the meaning of an actual conduction. So the conduction is always so is nothing but a one type of a heat transfer process between the contacted bodies. Two contacted bodies. So Let me know about the thing. Yeah. So here we are going to know about the something. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir,
Am I audible to you guys? No one is not responding for today's session. Sudhakar, Mandeep,
your
and
voice is
someone
audible,
is
sir.
there. So no one is
Sir,
not
your
going
voice
to
is
give me an
not,
any
sir.
at least minimum response. Mandeep,
Voice,
Mandeep, excuse me,
voice
Mandeep,
audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Sudhakar.
Yes, sir.
So let me check whether the Mandeep is available or not in this session.
Sir, I'm here, sir. Voice is audible, sir.
Okay, everyone is muted. So let me wanna check something. So I would like to give an explanation regarding the path of conduction. So the conduction is the process of a heat transfer between the two bodies are in contact. So that is maybe a two bodies. So the two bodies is nothing but a solid to solid. So that will be the conduction, and everyone will know that the formula found that Q is equal to K into Ka into delta T, where K is the thermal conductivity. Will everyone notice that? And we are going to finding that A is the area of contact, and delta T is the change in temperature. So here we will found that there is a material thermal conductivity over here. So let us define that. So I am going for here. Say again. So here it was the our availability of a thermal conductivity K1, sorry K, and here we have the area of contact. Here the bodies are going to contacting at one place, and the change in temperature when the body is a T1 and the body is having a T, sorry, and the body is in a contact with T2. So when the area of contact will need to acting as a Q is nothing but a conduction. Here there is a change of temperature will be takes place at one area. Here is nothing but the thermal conductivity is nothing but a K. So the thermal conductivity is nothing but the place where the material should going to transferring the heat without any disturbance, guys. Okay. So due to that, we are going to finding that the bodies are, sorry, the two bodies are in a contact at one place. Whether finding that, whether finding that, so whether finding that there is a change of temperature or allowing of change in temperature is nothing but our conduction. Okay. Yeah. So let me wanna go on for the next module is nothing but our convection. So let us go for the convection, guys. So let me change. So let me screen share the convection. So this is the finest example for the convection, guys. So convection is also one of the process of heat transfer, but the medium of the heat transfer is a fluid. So, but the medium of the heat transfer is nothing but our fluid. So, one of the finest example is nothing but our teacup. One of the finest example is now is our teacup. So here we are going to finding that Q is equal to here Q is equal to HA into delta T. So everyone will notice that T surface minus T ambient. T surface is nothing but the uh, T surface is nothing but our so the T surface is nothing but actual the cup and the T ambient is nothing but the liquid. Okay, guys, and here we are going to finding that Q is equal to amount of heat transfer. H is the film coefficient. So here the film coefficient plays an important role because of the thickness of the material. The thickness and the so thickness of the material will plays an important role. That's the film coefficient will involves, and in the same way we are going to working on the as usual temperature change. So we have to work on the temperature change. So that's the thing we are going to founding that. Just a minute, please. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. So here the convection is nothing but the so that's the thing. So the convection is the process of a heat transfer. In the process of heat transfer, the medium of the heat transfer is always fluid, which means here it's going to converting, it's going to executing, it's going to finalizing. Okay, that's the thing. Here we are going to founding that when you pour a little bit of when you pour a some amount of heated liquid into a one type of material, into a one type of material. So we are going to founding that how much amount of heat transfer should transfer from the one body to another body is nothing but one liquid stage to one solid stage, from solid stage to liquid stage. Okay, so that's the thing we are going to founding that over here. And in the same way we have one thing, but last thing but not least thing, that is the radiation. So that's the radiation, guys. So everyone will know about the some part of radiation. So is nothing but radiation is the one type of again heat transfer mode in which heat transfer through a space. One of the finest example from sun to sun radiation to our earth module, like us on a heat radiation. So that should be depends upon the Q is equal to sigma. Hello, hello. Yeah, okay. Epsilon sigma A T power 4 hot minus T power 4 cold body. So here we are going to founding that here the temperature gradient of hot minus temperature gradient of cold. Here the Q is the rate of heat transfer, epsilon is the surface emissivity E, and sigma is the Stephen Boltzmann constant. Everyone maybe will work on their school stage or intermediate stage. What is the actual meaning of a Stephen Boltzmann constant? And let us introduce into our new session, but not the last session. That is thermal analysis. So let us involve into the phase of a thermal analysis. So here we are going to finding that we have the two varieties of what happened, Mandeep? Yeah, there are the two types of thermal analysis. One type of thermal analysis is a steady state thermal analysis and transient thermal analysis. So everyone will know, everyone will read, everyone will found that the thermal analysis is nothing but we are going to finding that usually amount of heat variated from the one phase to another phase, one medium to another medium, and
Sir,
our surroundings from sun to earth. So those are the three variations we are
sir,
going to currently working with the different temperatures, with the different involvements of gradients. It's nothing but our execution outputs. So here we are going to currently working on the steady state thermal analysis, and currently we are going to working on again transient state thermal analysis. Whatever it may be the thermal analysis module, we are going to connecting with the different types. So that should be is nothing but always with the some temperature, heat loss or gain, and thermal gradients and heat flux. So whatever it may be the type of analysis, which may be in the concept of a steady state thermal analysis, or it may be in the concept of a transient state thermal analysis. Here we are going to founding, and here we are going to executing the sessions is nothing but the first thing is always depends upon the temperature, that is first gradient, and we are going to finding out the next session, that is heat loss or heat gain, and in the next variant thermal grade. So next variant is nothing but our thermal gradients and thermal flux. In the same way we can access the one more thing is nothing but our three sessions is nothing but the conduction, convection, and the radiation. Depends upon your design, depends upon your fluid, so your medium variety and depends upon your transfer mode will choose to which type of thermal gradient will allow to define the thermal analysis outputs. So that is in the concept of here temperature, heat loss or gain, thermal gradient and heat flux. Majority of we are going to using and finalizing the outputs. Mandeep, hello.
Sir,
Yeah, okay. So here let us see the how we are going to adding our ANSYS steady state thermal analysis and transient state thermal analysis.
sir, one question is there, sir. Sir,
Yeah, okay. I'm going to sharing guys my page here. I'm gone for here and executing here itself. So that should be my page as usually. So that's the usual page. And we have the one thing is first one, steady state thermal analysis. First one. And we need to found that it was an transient state thermal analysis. So those are the two things. Usually we have the one thing is nothing but a type of analysis will depend. So will shows and over here. So it's all came to here to make it one thing. So here we need to go for the a part of engineering data for today's session. So here everyone is going to asking myself for the part session. I would like to execute a new material will undercome for the thermal. Here I am gone for thermal one and here I am executing the new material thermal material for first one thermal material THER thermal material. Yeah, okay. Yeah, T enter. So here, when you observe over here, so everything is going for a lag, and I would so I mean to say it is in a blurring condition, and I am going to executing the material one, enter. So when you come to the part of, it's going to giving you an add the thermal conductivity. So thermal conductivity of the material is nothing but 109 something, enter. And I would like to add the orthotropic conductivity. So nearby some nearistic some 75 enter. So these are the two major properties. Sorry, these are the two major properties. So temperature is always more than room temperature. For that purpose, I am going to executing that should be some 250. And now thermal conductivity is going to executing at the range of some Celsius inverse. We need to maintain some 250 plus 150, 400 around. And I would like to thermal conductivity. The amount of heat transfer will always depends upon differentiality. So 50% of that is more than 200. Enter. So these are the gradients I have used, and I would like to introduce by itself. So that's the thing. So, and apart from that, I don't have any option. Filter engineering data. So and I would like to make it active. So adding cannot the library is edit mode. Okay. Edit, yes, save it. Now gone for the condition add an engineering data project. Now if I gone for the engineering data and I would like to enhance that, I need a model. For this only purpose, I am going to executing a one design for today's session. So here I am going for executing the session and I am going to saving here is nothing but a one engine pin. So I'm going to designing the engine pin guys for today's session. So let us hope we can do a lot of. So here I'm going to sharing the again my page. So that's my page. Now select right click XY plane look at sketching. I'm gone for the thing rectangular pins. So here the rectangular pin of my body uh, is nothing but this. So here I'm going to executing something. Would like to dimensions generally number one, number two. That's the thing over here. And I would like to enhance the one more thing is nothing but our stationary part. So I would like to go for 50 by 40 area, 50 enter, and I would like to go for okay 35 is fine, enter. Those are the two errors. Here I am going to provide the one more dimension horizontally from here to here. So it should be some 25, enter, and I would like to is fine, and I would like to enhance the one more thing 37.5 vertically and 1 and 2. That should be some 17.50. So that should be my concept of mediating this. And I would like to enhance my component. Okay. And I would like to generate. So that should be a generate option extrude. Extrusion should be exactly some 2 mm product or 1 mm product is also fine. So here it was the thing. And I would like to enhance sketch number 2. Select right click. So always sketch. Select right click and show always sketch. That's the pattern. Okay, and I would like to go on for face selection. Select right click. Look at the option. Now sketching. We'll need to assign this a circle, and I would like to enhance the option. Okay. Before that, I would like to assign the dimensions from here to here onwards. 18. So due to that, I would like to assign exactly some midpoint 17.50. That's the thing over here. And I would like to enhance in the horizontally for next thing exactly some 25. So that's the reason for I would like to assign that should be in a mid contact. So due to this, I'm going to execute in here one thing. It's nothing but our componential extrude the option. For this extrude option, I'm going to executing apply, and I would like to add the metal is fine. None okay. Normal should be axis symmetric. So axis symmetric should be down. One should be changed to some 10. 10 is not defined. We'll go on for some 25 enter. So 25 is fine. And I would like to go for generate the option. Yeah, exactly like this. And I would like to make the create option. We'll go on for pattern body. It's nothing but pattern body. Linear pattern is fine. And apply the geometry is nothing but this. So due to this reason, I would like to select the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apply. Select the direction. So the direction is towards this. Actually, we don't have any direction. So would like to apply the direction is this is my direction towards opposite. So apply and every meter should be exactly some 25. Would like to pay some 2.5. 2.5 is the direction module and number of instances should be 5. Let us check it and generate. So we didn't got the output. So let me know about the reason. Delete. Exactly. So let me want to do again. Create pattern. Apply. So the geometry should be completely this. With the help of control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apply and select the direction is nothing but this. So it's not a real direction and I would like to create a formal direction is nothing but this. This is not the actual direction. So it's going to providing a negative feedback. So delete exactly and I would like to go on for select right click look at I'm going to executing a dummy access. One dummy access. Yeah, okay, sure. Generate. Now I gone for create pattern. Our as usual condition one, one, two, three, 4, 5. So that is the condition, and I would like to apply direction is this, and towards returning direction and apply. Let me wanna see generate. So I didn't got the output. So 2.5 should be changed to around 10 and generate. So it doesn't have output. Let me wanna see 2 and faces generate. So 10 meters. Okay. Solution for 2. That makes to 25 meters is fine. And I would like to enhance the one more thing. Okay. Pattern that should be raised to exactly some 2. It doesn't done. And again, I would like to do 2 meters should be changed to some 5 enter and generate. It doesn't have change. I'm going to changing some 25 enter again. So it doesn't have change maybe. Yeah, okay, it doesn't found any outputs. So let me read write. I'm going to close in here. Yeah, I'm going to re-executing this guys. So let me provide the new geometry. Geometry again. Now I'm going to executing the new geometry again. Is the new geometry and selecting as usually select right click look at. Now I would like to enhance the first component circle. Usually we have to execute the first thing is circle and this is the one and the next one is with respect to their offset body modify. Before that we need to assign the view. Units is nothing but currently changing to millimeters. Dimension generally number 1 and number 2. So I should like to enhance that. I'm going to changing this should be one is 100 mm and another one is 150 mm. It's fine. So maybe we got the least and I would like to zoom to fit the option. So zoom to fit and I would like to make it cursor should be panned. So so that is our usual options output guys. So we have to currently work on this progress. So 100 should be changed. So 100 should be changed to some 125 for nearest output like this. And I would like to extrude and generate like this. Apply. Would like to work on the 30 should be changed to some 250 around. 25 is not 250. Enter. So that's the grade value. Cursor mode with respect to rotate. Right click zoom to fit. Pan it the option. So let me check it the output. Extrude. Right click zoom to fit. Cursor mode will need to pan. So that is the expected output. And I would like to go on for generate. So let me want to explain. So we need to expecting you one plane from here. So that should be it's nothing but a new plane. So new plane from opposite to y or okay opposite to y, no issue with respect to some exactly 2.5 meters. So I'm going to expecting minus 2.5 oppositely minus 2.50 enter. So it was distributed over there. Custom mode will need to pan. So it was doesn't executed. So would like to work on the some y is not possible. X is also not possible. And let us work on the Z. Z is also not possible. Right click zoom to fit. So okay, generate no issue regarding that path. So let me on a cursor mode with respect to pan, and I would like to enhance. So select the new sketch again. Okay, right click, look at now. So let me want to select a new face from here. Right click, look at. Now I am gone for the session is nothing but the concept of execution. Here I am going to sketching a one rectangular plane. So that should be my plane of object. That's the thing I have executed. Now I would like to generate something, extrude the component, apply, that should be 2.5 mm. So it should be in the concept of a reverse in progress. Add material, apply, normal should be reverse, and I would like to generate. So that's the first phase of a body usually, and from first onwards I am going to executing a pattern. So that's the thing I have told to you. So here I am going for again a new sketch for the mid part. I would like to pan again. So it doesn't work. Right click, look at. So that's the thing, and I am going for a one polyline for here. Right click OK. Polyline from here to here. Right click, open end. We'll always work on the open end. Now again gone for generate and create. We'll need to gone for the pattern. Is nothing but linear. So geometry. So geometry is the thing which we have applied. So it's nothing but our face one. So face one, one, two, three, sorry, one, two, three, four, five. Apply, apply. And I would like to enhance the direction is this as usually towards up, and the number of transformation should be 2 and generate the condition. So the pattern is going to getting again a fail. So I don't know the actual reason, but the process is as usual. So let me change the value from 1 onwards. Apply generate. So to enhance that the 2D edge is this. So 2D edge is this. So would like to enhance that 2D edge is this. And going to applying, yeah. So FD offset should going for some 10 and executing again. So we'll need to work on the direction again, generate. So again it's going to getting failure. Delete this, and the thing is over here. Create again pattern. So I would like to work on the next thing is it should be changed to some rectangular. So first thing is nothing but a geometry. So usual geometry is nothing but this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. That's everywhere we got selected. and the 6 and apply. And the direction should be is this. So towards the direction should be is like this up. I'm providing up to this and it should be some 10 over here and generating the condition. So number 2 is not selected. Number 2 we don't have an importance, but I would like to 0 and I would like to make it this should be warning must not non-zero. So should be 1 and direction 2 we are not able to select. That's the reason. Okay. So let me want to do one more attempt. So it should be again okay with respect to the pattern. It's nothing but our rectangular and I would like to enhance the option called linear and I'm going to selecting the one more thing is the concept with respect to geometry. So let me want to select the geometry is always this. My geometry is this. It's nothing but face selection number 1, selection number 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 is the mic selection and direction towards to this is this. This is almost my direction and for this session I'm going for this the way written and apply. Actually the written is the exact way and 10 mm is the thing and I would like to enhance 10 mm should be changed to some 100 and I would like to do some that should be to okay let me check it 100. So even the 100 doesn't works maybe linear pattern 2D face edge delete delete the guys current and I would like to exclude again gone for pattern and linear and I'm gone for sketch sorry and I'm going to selecting the sketch here it is also sketch and plane number 4 sketch plane number 5 we have one more sketch and applying here not selecting so would like to do the one thing is nothing but our face okay let me want to do only for this I would like to make it apply select and I would like to enhance the direction called axis this and I would like to make it reverse in contact. So here I would like to apply, make it okay. Number of copies should be some again 10 and enhance this generate. So, but it was worked maybe right now. It was failure, getting failure, guys. Let me wanna try one more example. So, should need to work on the again a static structural module. Now, I would like to take again one more thing. It's again geometry. I'm going to share again. Yeah. Okay. And in the same way, I would like to look at, and in the same way, I would like to pick it out. A small circle is this circle is this and in the same way I'm going to getting this. So need to assign some dimensions by using this 1 and 2. It should be some 20 and it should be some 18 around. Those are the things. Generate the thing with respect to some extrude option. It should be changed to some 100 enter. So 100 is the value with respect to OK. Yeah, fine. So in the same way, I would like to execute a one plane opposite to Z, and it should be some 10 enter. Okay, with you guys, 10 is too much, and I would like to enhance the fifth. Okay. Now I would like to sketch on this. Open the part body, select line, look at. Now I would like to go on for the sketching again. Now I would like to work on the a rectangle like this. A rectangle like this. So I don't know the actual rectangle, but here I am generating, and I would like to extrude. Should be applied exactly some 10 mm, 10 meters. So 10 is also high. Would like to extruding this to some 2 generate. So let me wanna found that it was an actual option. I would like to make this should be an option called pattern. Create the pattern. So I would like to assign the body is nothing but this. So it is going to select a complete one. I don't want to select complete. Select, and I would like to enhance number one face selection. So face selection number one. So interior also selection. Number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, apply. And I would like to enhance the direction is this mine. So reverse, apply. One should be changed to around 2.3 enter. Copy should be 5. Enter and generate. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. We are going to currently working. So I don't have the actual reason. It was failure for up to this n number of times. So I'm going to working on over here. It should be again offset should be some 5 enter again generate. So should going for number of copies should be changed to some 10 enter. So again 10 should be this should be changed to some 7.50 generate. So that's the output like a one body for the purpose of rectangular planes, rectangular fills, and I would like to look at this, and I would like to enhance the shape called V. Should go on for a option polyline like a option called V for here. Both the options close it. And in the same way, I would like to work on the same session for opposite end also. For the opening profiles, right click, close it. Should work on over here. Should need to assign geometry, dimensions. Should need to assign 10. Enter. Should need to assign 10 enter. 10 enter. Would like to block the thing. So make it assignment. Generate. Okay. Extrude the option. Generate. So maybe it was getting failure. Due to this, I am going to deleting the last one, guys. Delete yes. So pattern is also disturbed. Okay. I would like to delete the thing. Okay. It was somewhat little bit disturbed. I will continue for the tomorrow session, guys. So if there anybody else, please give me a reply. Excuse me.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Excuse me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Excuse me. Hello.
Sir, how we are
Hello.
this applying? Sir, how we are applying this thermal
Hello.
stresses on this?
Hello. Hello, guys. Hello.
how we are going?
So if there
We'll
anybody
take
else,
care of
please
that.
respond. A lot of people is there. I would like to request you to. Is there anybody else? Please give me a response. Okay. I hope everyone is happy with the session. Maybe everyone. So Mandeep and Chandrasekhar is also Chandu is also not providing. Sudhakar is also not providing any reply. Maybe you can go for the next session. So hope you guys you can reach the next session at least. Please try to provide a minimum reply, guys. Yes or no at least.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you
Okay.
hear me, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. I'm signing off here. We'll meet tomorrow and same time. Please try to be here at least 7:35, guys. So if it is if it is not possible to wait for a minute 5 to 10 minutes is okay, but it is doesn't possible with the complete time. Thank you.